We're at Sopers House in Cuffley, on the outskirts of Hertfordshire, near Potter's Bar. We've also got surrounding us is the M25, and we're close to places such as Luton Airport, the M1, and we've got train lines that go straight into Moorgate and into London. We're based on 3 levels. We have up to 40 offices and companies that are using the space, as well as up to 400 people using our co-working area for hot desking. The facilities that we're providing are all based on luxury and comfort. So we provide a fine dining restaurant with roof terrace, a wine cellar. We've then got a state-of-the-art gym, which is membership only, 3 studios for spinning, Pilates, yoga and kettlebells. And the other facilities we provide is a barber's, a salon and a nail bar to help with mental health and well-being.
Smart2u is a company formed in 2007, and we've been involved in many residential projects with the high-end clients which have a lots of requirement to complete automation solution. Smart2u was involved of this building to install a different type of technology. We start with the smart lighting and energy saving solution. Then we also use a Savant System to integrate all this technology into one system which people can go to one place and control the whole building, which integrates heating, cooling, audio distribution across the building, video distribution and lighting. Then we move to access control, which is a major part of the scale of the project. We chose 2u Verso to be the main door station to the building, which contains the touchscreen to provide a list of the businesses and Bluetooth and RF module. Through the building we install 2u Access 2.0 modules, and for the offices, each offices we install the 2u Mullion readers. So our goal was to create access to everyone, and we design all the doors to be automatic doors with the keyless technology, so anyone with disability can go through the doors without problem. And also we install induction loop hearing system for the meeting rooms, auditoriums, and all the till areas and bar areas people with a disability can go and use that technology.
Because we're such a large concept of 70,000 square foot, we needed technology that works for a large scale. So 2u system was the best thing for us because it's reliable, it gives us easy access, and it's easy to use for a large team as well.
The technology we put in this business was quite advanced because of the brief from our client. It's very fast internet. We have a 10 gigabit of line which distributes across the whole building. This is equivalent to all the banks and brokers.
Smart2u, we have a really good relationship with them. They'll continue providing training and support, and if we have any questions, they're there on site immediately. Being such a large scale that Sopers House is, we can potentially have 1,000 people in and out of the building every day. We wanted to provide the best facilities for our members to make things streamlined and easy access through any door. It's made everything simple, and our team are loving the system to provide the best facility for the member.